I'm so very happy. Daghang kayo salamat di kayo. So, since you guys know sa akong mga viewers nga, because I'm not particular in English, so dili ko master mo English guys. Pero I will do my best for my friend, no? Ako yung panikamutan nga makasabot mo sa akong in English kay kabalo ko. I know nga you can still understand me even my English is very poor because you are Bisaya, you are Tagalog, you are whatever your language guys know.
We're still English. So, speak American English, and obviously if anyone knows, American English is completely different to English.
So guys, that's very far. Yuki, London, and now he's now here in the Philippines, Mindanao.
Mr. Winnie, farmer blogger, usa ka baker, usa kaya nung totoo, usa kaya nung probinsyano. Tara na upang tasayang mga plano.
Welcome Daddy Travels and my kubo. Oh.
Thank you, bro.
Finally guys, si Daddy Travels guys. Niya na gid siya no sa ato ang kubo guys. Grabe akong kalipay ko, di gyud akong kalipay guys no. Si Daddy Travels ning anhi gyud sa ato ang kubo, no? It is not a dream guys, it is a reality that Daddy Travels is now here in my kubo. To all my friends, viewers, they're in UK now. Daddy Travels, my friend, the organic friend, and social media, YouTube and Facebook. So officially now he is visited in my kubo. So guys, once again, welcome to our vlog, our conversation with my friend Daddy Travels, my special visitor today during the Festa of Clarin, Holy Child Parish, Clarin, Misamis Occidental. So we are from the church for the christening of my son, Del Jade, and we are here in my kubo right now so that we can vlog also in my kubo because this is our dream with Daddy Travels that he can visit my kubo. Actually, this plan is last year, 2025, but finally now it's officially comes into a reality that Daddy Travels comes in my house. So bro, have you message to my neighbors here and all our viewers, subscribers and followers in our YouTube and Facebook?
Yes. So thank you guys for welcoming me to the Philippines first of all, and thank you bro for inviting me into your kubo, where it all started off, where I was scrolling through some live streams and I come across this guy with a very strange topic. Reeled me in, and he was opening tin cans with his teeth and peeling vegetables.
Okay, it's called
mouthbang. So that's where it all started guys, and now that's why me and him are now, well, we became friends from then, and we've just been talking for 2 years, and now finally we have a visitation here together. So we have many plans for the future, and yeah, I hope you guys all around here and outside the country will follow our journey.
Yeah, so guys, don't forget guys to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, both of us, Daddy Travels and Mr. Wingbane, or MWB TV family. And also, you can visit us in our Facebook page, Daddy Travels and MWB TV. So bro, once again bro, thank you very much and welcome to my kubo.
Thank you so much. I'm glad to be here.
Yeah, so I'm so glad also bro for your effort ba and time.
Yes,
bro. Guys, imagine 8,000. 800,000?
8,000 miles.
8,000 miles.
800,000, cool, that would have been like around the world many times.
Yes. So guys, that's very far. Yuki, London, and now he's now here in the Philippines, Mindanao. So to all my viewers, to all my subscribers, once again guys, to all our followers. So guys, if you are new in our Facebook right now and our YouTube channel, please guys, show us loving support by hit the bell, subscribe and follow our Facebook page guys, so that our future vlogs and many vlogs to come guys, you can witness us guys for our success with my friend Daddy Travels. So because this is our desires, this is our dreams to meet with each other and to establish our plans as a content creator.
Yes,
so here started there in UK and now here in the Philippines, from Philippines in the whole world.
Yeah, it's the whole world, yeah.
Yeah, so
correct.
I'm so very happy. Daghang kayo salamat di kayo. So since you guys know sa akong mga viewers nga, because I'm not particular in English, so dili ko master mo English guys.
He's doing well, he's doing well.
I will do my best for my friend, no? Ako yung panikamutan nga makasabot mo sa akong in English kay kabalo ko. I know nga you can still understand me even my English is very very poor because you are Bisaya, you are Tagalog, you are whatever your language, guys. No.
We're still English.
So I know you can understand still in my language, guys. But to all my friends all over the world, especially there in UK, USA, or from the other country that using English language, so please sorry for my very very poor English. I'm so happy because my friend, even though we cannot understand each other many times, so I'm very sorry, bro. You missed sometimes our conversation. I can understand you
It's
because
okay.
of the slang, but very slang. But
Very slang.
I know in the future, guys. I know I can understand all the.
It's very hard for the Filipinos because they speak American English, and obviously, if anyone knows, American English is completely different to English.
Yeah.
So my type of English, especially from my side of the country, where slang is, I don't know, it's so vast. So yeah, I say many different words without realizing that they won't understand. So yeah, but we have a good laugh all the time with, when we're talking, don't understand, so we just laugh about it. Yeah.
Yes, guys. By the way, guys, before we end the video, I have something to discuss or to show my friend that travels why Mr. Wingbin win and why Mr. Wingbin is become today like this.